Hey YouTube, what's up? MD95TSI here. So how's everybody been doing? Hopefully doing good, doing well. Got some good weather coming upon us. I'm sure there are going to be some flying. I see other people out there flying again, getting more back into it. Good to see the ones that fell off getting to click back in, you know what I mean? That's always good. You know, we've always been here. We've never stopped. We just kept going and going and going. So anyway, what I brought you here today for is we have a new product and some mail calls. This is a new product. This thing's interesting. You have to stay tuned to the channel, and then we'll actually do, you know, a review on it and stuff like that. But what this is a Matco Tools SKR. Huh? It's about as much as you guys are going to get to see of that. Some can already make out what that is going to be. Let your mind start turning. Well, you can even look it up. I just told you the name of it. So anyway, next I have a Fatstrap that Crystal won over there on David's channel, D3FPV. David's a good guy. So he sent this in, and I don't know if he just grabbed it out of his random box of giveaways. If there's such a thing. I have one, so I just say I think everyone has that does live streams. David, this black, red, and yellow that's incorporated in this, beautiful, because that's my new colors what I'm gonna go with. So thank you, David, D3FPV guys. It was actually on the Ken FPV, Derek's birthday. They did the raffle giveaway and all that stuff, so check them out. Good things going on over there. And here, this is the, yeah, that was a mail call, but I then took it out the mailbox. You don't need to see my address or David's. So anyway, in this box, this is something special, because it goes to show you that the FPV world is finally starting to, they're not fully listening, but they're starting to look our way. They got their head turned now. So I like that. So GoPro is who I'm talking about. So what is in the box? Let's see. What did GoPro send me? What is that? Dude, that is the Hero 10 Black Bones. Pop, pop, pop. Come on now. Check that puppy out. Sealed package, still ain't been in it. As you can see, I'm going to get in it with you guys. No, I ain't. We're going to do a review. So, to go along with that, we got the Max Lens Mod. That is for the Hero 9. That's recording this right at the moment. And for the Hero 10. This guy. So that is awesome. Let's see what else is in here. Bada bing, bada bang. New SD card. Always can use those. I always need those. I'm always filling them up. So anyway, get that box out of there. And that's it. That's what all I got. So I got the Max Mod lens, GoPro 10 Hero Bones Edition. Yeah, come on now. The dope strap from D3FPV. And what's in here? And this came from Russell. He's a mechanic, if you guys don't know. So yeah, Matco guy drives up there each week, goes there and makes some sales. But anyway, this will come in handy in multiple ways for me. I have tried multiple other angles to do other things, and it just doesn't work. Soldering and building the quad out in a picnic table in a park sucks. Some situations you get into, you have to do that. You don't have a choice, okay? You have a choice not to do it, but, well, I like to do it. So anyway, that's what I mean by that. But as far as like soldering and then that wind blows air, it just sucks. So this is going to make life so much easier. And not to mention the I.O. trip coming up in 1 month. So stay tuned to the channel. We got some good things going on, some new things coming in, and who knows what else is yet to come. Go over, check out www.kenfpv.com down in link in the description down below, the frames. I'm sponsored by them, so I gotta go ahead and throw them in my link, give them a shout out. So Deuces, guys. Peace. We'll catch you guys on the next one.